By looking at this list of data sets again, there is no way to tell simply from this list what type of data set it is. It may be a sequential file, it may be partitioned, or it may be any number of supported internal structures. So how can we tell what we're looking at? Let's switch to an online session so we can see what information is available to us. In this example, we're taking a look at the Dataset List Utility panel in ISPF. The dataset name level we have specified here for gatom2.jcl, which is going to be a partition dataset we want to take a look at. And we're going to set the initial view value here to a 3 so that we can see the attributes when we display these datasets. When I hit the Enter key, we can see all of the datasets that begin with gatom2.jcl. If we look under the DS.org column, we can see that they have an organization here of PO, which is partitioned organization. In addition, we can see the other data attributes here of fixed block, a logical record length of 80, and the assigned block size for these particular data sets. Now, when we want to take a look at what's in these data sets, we can type in an E in order to be able to edit this particular data set. When we hit the Enter key, we see a list of all of the members that are in this particular partition data set. I can use my cursor to move down to select one to take a look at. I can select it, and now I'm in the Edit panel where I can make changes as necessary to this particular member. When I hit PF3, which is the End command, I will go back into the member list and I can select a different member to edit at this particular point. If I wish to create a new member, all I need to do is just type in an S on the command line, and then I can go ahead and put in the new member name that I want to create. In this case, I'm selecting the name A1. I come up with an empty edit screen, and again, I can move my cursor down, and I can go ahead and type in anything that I wish. Once I hit the Enter key, we can see that the empty lines have been removed, and all I'm left with now is the text that I had entered. When I hit F3 or End again, we can now see that the member A1 has been added to this particular partition dataset. Again, if I scroll down, I can go ahead and select it again, and now I can continue editing. I can add additional lines of data and make modifications as I see fit. The organization of the data within a PDS is almost identical to that which we saw for sequential files, with two notable differences. Variable block span files are not supported within a PDS, and there is an additional format available that doesn't exist anywhere else. This is an undefined format which has the unusual attribute of a record length of 0 bytes.